Welcome back to the Canon Plug series. I'm Berke Toktas. Today we are looking at ITT PowerLock connectors, a proven solution for high current power distribution where safety and reliability are non-negotiable. PowerLock connectors are plastic-bodied, single-pole connectors designed for applications carrying very high current, either 450 amps or 800 amps. They're ideal for both temporary and permanent power distribution systems operating in demanding environments. Originally developed by Litton Veam, PowerLock is widely recognized as the original high-power single-pole connector platform. Safety is built into every aspect of the design. When unmated, PowerLock connectors are rated IP2X, protecting against accidental finger contact with live electrical parts. When mated, the connectors seal up to IP67, offering strong protection against dust and moisture. Electrically, they are rated up to 1000 volts AC or DC, supporting both single-phase and three-phase power distribution. To prevent connection errors, PowerLock connectors are both keyed and color-coded, supporting international three-phase standards used across the US, Europe and Australia. The connectors are available in source and drain formats, along with panel mount and cable mounted versions, giving system designers flexibility across a wide range of installations. PowerLock connectors and the PowerLock distribution box are used everywhere reliable power matters. Data centers, renewable energy platforms, EV charging infrastructure, stage and event power, dock and shore power, and emergency power systems. They are moisture resistant, impact resistant, and designed for field installable power distribution. To mate, align the keyed connectors and engage the bayonet lock. Once fully turned, the secondary locking pin automatically engages to prevent accidental disconnection. For applications requiring faster release, an optional sliding collar can be used instead of the release key. High current, built-in safety, proven reliability. We are the original PowerLock. Thank you for watching. See you next time.